Our most respected Shri Narendra Bhai Modi, members of the Government of Gujarat, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I am delighted to be here at the 6th Vibrant Gujarat Global Investor Summit 2013. I would like to express my sincere appreciation to Narendra Bhai and his government for building on the momentum gained over the previous 5 events. Every year, the summit is getting stronger, larger, and more vibrant, and this year it is the grandest of them all. Gujarat is blessed to have a talented and committed team of administrators who are passionate about sustaining our state's preeminent position. Many of the state's dedicated administrators are with us here at this event, and I compliment them for Gujarat's glowing and growing exemplary achievements. In Shri Narendra Bhai, we have a leader with a grand vision and the determination to translate his vision into reality. My warm congratulations to the Honorable Chief Minister and his entire team. Dear friends, I have been fortunate to be present at every single Vibrant Gujarat Summit since its inception. Narendra Bhai, it's 100% attendance. This signifies Reliance's commitment to the state of Gujarat. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to say that Reliance is a Gujarati company. It is an Indian company and it's a global company. And that is how it was conceived by my father, Shri Dhirubhai Ambani. Gujarat has always been one of the preeminent regions of India. It is a land that has transformed opportunities and challenges into a powerful entrepreneurial vision. Gujarat has been a pioneer state, whether it is in the field of the cooperative movement or in taking initiative of privatizing infrastructure facilities like ports very early on. This gives Gujarat an innate advantage as an investment destination. This is not an isolated event, but a sustained process, evident even today. The remarkable maturity shown by the people of Gujarat in terms of its tryst with industry is also a model for other Indian states. Reliance is a company that found roots in Gujarat and started not far from here at Naroda near Ahmedabad. Reliance is a company that found significant growth in Gujarat at Hazira near Surat and Jamnagar in Saurashtra. Reliance is a company that found faith in over 3 million shareholders, majority of them from Gujarat. And above all, Reliance is a company that very much reflects the ethos of Gujarat, of effort, enterprise, and endearment. Friends, we began from Gujarat, we learned from here, and we come back here again and again to invest and to create world-class assets, to contribute to Gujarat's industrial and social development and progress of the 6 crore Gujaratis. We've always believed that it is better to speak by action than words. It is my pleasure to tell you, Narendra Bhai, that we have committed over 100,000 crores, and in the next 3 years, we will again invest under your leadership this back into Gujarat. This will be invested in expanding our manufacturing facilities at Jamnagar, Hazira, and Dahej. And this will provide significant employment and also strengthen our export competitiveness for India. We will also be creating the next generation mobile broadband infrastructure that I can assure you will be second to none in the world. This infrastructure will provide unprecedented opportunity to lakhs of youth and thousands of entrepreneurs all over Gujarat. This will provide significant opportunities of innovation, skill building, education, and healthcare. Dear friends, I have been very fortunate that the Honorable Chief Minister has given me the responsibility to lead an education institution. I would like to reiterate my commitment towards Narendra Bhai's vision to build a world-class institution in Gujarat. I am proud to inform you that the Pandit Deen Dayal Petroleum University has invested over 100 crores in expanding academic and research facilities since the last Vibrant Gujarat in 2011. I am also very pleased to announce that the Pandit Deen Dayal Petroleum University will be developed as a global university with focus on research and internationalization over the next 5 years. This will require investments of over 500 crores and will be done in significant partnership between Reliance and the Government of Gujarat. Reliance will work closely with the Government of Gujarat for ensuring financial sustainability and academic autonomy. Our collective endeavor is to provide world-class education ecosystem that can provide world-class graduates, academic and scientific research, and one day, I think Gujarat will also be very proud to really produce Nobel laureates from our institutions in Gujarat. To my mind, Vibrant Gujarat is not just an event to celebrate the spirit of business. It is declaration of Gujarat's determination to move ahead. It is an affirmation that India is marching forward with a clear vision to emerge as a global power. And Gujarat can make an important contribution in making this possible. For this, all of us need to work in a spirit of partnership. This is the spirit behind Vibrant Gujarat. With these words, ladies and gentlemen, I offer you my very warm greetings on the occasion of Sankranti, which falls in a few days. And for all of you who are from outside of Gujarat, it's our kite festival. Please enjoy it and let this bring additional energy for our might to a brighter future. Thank you.